Ever feel like your mind needs a reset? Or maybe you want a natural way to boost your immune system? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the amazing benefits of sage, one of nature's most powerful herbs. Plus, I'll show you simple, easy-to-make recipes that you can try at home. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never look at sage the same way again. Let's get started. Sage serves as a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly rosmarinic acid, which protects the body from harmful free radicals. It combats oxidative stress that damages cells and accelerates aging. Research shows it neutralizes toxins effectively, supporting overall health. This herb comes with polyphenols that enhance immunity and reduce inflammation, making it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Sage aids digestion by stimulating the digestive system and reducing discomfort. It relieves bloating, gas, and indigestion efficiently. Studies suggest it promotes the secretion of digestive enzymes, which improves nutrient absorption. This herb also soothes stomach cramps and comes as a natural remedy for mild gastrointestinal issues, offering gentle relief. Sage acts as a natural antiseptic that enhances oral hygiene. When used as a gargle, it reduces mouth sores, gum inflammation, and bad breath effectively. Its antimicrobial properties fight bacteria in the mouth, supporting healthier teeth and gums. Dentists often recommend it for its ability to heal minor infections and provide a refreshing effect. Sage boosts memory and concentration thanks to its active compounds. It supports cognitive health and protects against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, according to studies. This herb improves mental clarity and reduces brain fog, making it a favorite for students and professionals. It also comes with neuroprotective benefits that maintain brain vitality over time. Sage provides a calming effect that lowers stress and anxiety levels naturally. It balances mood by influencing the nervous system gently. Aromatherapy uses its soothing scent to promote relaxation, while drinking sage tea offers similar benefits. This herb helps individuals unwind and improves sleep quality, serving as a holistic stress reliever. Sage bolsters the immune system with its antibacterial and antiviral properties. It fights off infections like colds and flu effectively. Rich in vitamins and minerals, it supports the body's defenses year-round. Research highlights its ability to reduce inflammation, which enhances immune response and keeps illnesses at bay. Sage manages excessive sweating, especially during menopause, by balancing hormones naturally. It reduces hot flashes and night sweats, offering relief to many women. Studies confirm it decreases sweat gland activity, making it a go-to remedy. This herb provides a cooling effect that improves comfort during hormonal changes. Sage helps regulate blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity, as research suggests. It lowers glucose levels naturally and supports metabolic health. This herb prevents sudden spikes and crashes, benefiting those with diabetes or prediabetes. It comes as a complementary aid alongside a balanced diet and medical advice. Sage enhances skin health with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It reduces redness, acne, and irritation effectively when applied as a tea or toner. The herb fights aging signs by protecting against free radical damage. It also supports wound healing and provides a natural glow, making it a skincare favorite. Sage relieves respiratory problems like sore throats and coughs efficiently. It clears mucus and reduces inflammation in the airways when inhaled as steam or consumed as tea. Its antimicrobial action fights infections, supporting easier breathing. This herb comes as a traditional remedy for colds, offering comfort during seasonal illnesses. So, what can we make using sage? Here are some sample recipes. But first, if you found the video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Boil sage leaves and grated ginger in 1 cup of water for 10 minutes. Strain, cool slightly, then mix in honey and lemon juice. Store in a jar. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons as needed for cough or cold symptoms. Simmer sage leaves and minced garlic in 2 cups of water for 15 minutes. Strain, add lemon juice and honey, stir well. Serve warm. Drink once daily during cold season. Steep sage and mint leaves in 2 cups of hot water for 10 minutes. Add lemon slices and honey if desired. Strain and sip. Drink after meals to ease digestion. Sauté onion and garlic in olive oil until soft. Add sage leaves and broth, simmer for 20 minutes. Blend or serve chunky, season with salt. Enjoy as a meal 2 to 3 times a week for inflammation relief. Boil sage leaves and ginger slices in 2 cups of water for 12 minutes. Strain, add lemon juice and honey, stir. Serve warm or chilled. Drink daily to manage menopause symptoms. Blend sage leaves, apple, berries, and honey with water or almond milk until smooth. Serve chilled. Drink in the morning 3 to 4 times a week for skin health. Heat olive oil, sauté garlic and onion until fragrant. Add zucchini and sage, stir fry for 10 minutes, season with salt, serve warm. Serve as a meal or side 2 to 3 times a week for wellness. Boil sage leaves in water for 10 minutes, strain, and cool. Stir in lemon juice and salt. Use as a mouthwash. Gargle twice daily for oral health. Mix chopped sage, sugar, honey, and olive oil into a paste. Store in a jar. Apply to skin, massage gently, and rinse off. Use 1 to 2 times a week for relaxation and skin glow. Simmer sage, carrot, onion, garlic, and salt in water for 30 minutes. Strain or keep chunky, serve hot. Sip as a broth 2 to 3 times a week for mental clarity. You can subscribe to not miss our new upcoming videos.